Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and germs out there who was watching this video and from my past videos. Today, it's January 7th, but it's January 6th, but I'm going to shoot for 7, 8, and 9's video because I'm going to be busy for the rest of the week. And I'm sorry for this setting, same attire, same lighting, same condition of the room, though room is always dirty though and messy because I'm busy. Now, yeah, because of reasons. So, January 9th. Where am I? January 9th. What we control and what we don't. Epictetus on Enchiridion. And I quote, "Some things are in our control, while others are not. We control our opinion, choice, desire, aversion, and, in a word, everything of our own doing. We don't control our body, property, reputation, position, and, in a word, everything not of our own doing. Even more, the things in our control are by nature free, unhindered, and unobstructed, while those not in our control are weak, slavish, can be hindered, and are not on our own. Are not our own. Today, you won't control the external events that happen. Is that scary? Is it scary? A little, but it's balanced when we see that we can control our opinion about those events. You decide whether they're good or bad, whether they're fair or unfair. You don't control the situation, but you control what you think about it, or how you see it. See how that works? Every single thing that is outside our control, the outside world, other people, luck, karma, whatever, still presents our corresponding that is in your control. This alone gives us plenty to manage, plenty of power. Best of all, an honest understanding of what is within our control. Best of all, an honest understanding of what is within our control provides real clarity about the world. All we have is our own mind. Remember that today, when you try to extend your reach outward, that it's much better and more appropriately direct inward. That's it. Now, my realization for today here is, if someone has done you wrong, do you think that it is in your control? Them doing you wrong? Of course not. But how you react or how you respond to that person who has done you wrong is dependent on you. Because your response, your ability to respond, to take action, to speak of ill manner or bad about that person is your choice. If someone has done you wrong, it's up to you how you respond to it. Or it's up to you if you react to it. Because if you react, the word react, if you react to it right after the person has done you wrong, your emotions control you. But if you've done deep breathing, if you thought about it, how you respond, now that's responsibility. Your ability to respond is your responsibility. Damn, words. No, I'm just kidding. But how you respond to that person is in your control. But if that person is reactive, but seeing you that you respond properly, or not in a violent manner, but you respond properly to that person, there might be a chance that person will respond to you or react calmly. Chill. If you're chill, the person can be chill. Can be chill. Emphasis on can. Now, another part is, on the other hand, it's how we see things. It's how you interpret things. Maybe or for example, you're in a cafe. The waiter treated you badly. Is it really do you really think that it is their intention to treat you badly? Of course not. You're paying them you're paying the product for their salary, You're paying them. You're paying their salary basically. And yeah, it's up to you how you see it. How their treatment to you is up to you. How they treat you is up to you. How you will see it. But before you react, you should ask yourself first, is this person really its intentions of doing me bad, or is there something running in their head that that changes their ambience or changes their atmosphere, changes their mood? I've learned from my girlfriend. She told me this about 50 times or more. Assume the best intention of that person. Always assume the best intention. If you think that waiter or waitress has done you wrong, just ask yourself, is it really that person's intention for me, or is it just they're going through something difficult, or they're troubled because of personal matters or financial matters? We're not sure, but all we have to do I'm sorry. All we have to do is assume the best intention. Show them love, kindness. It costs 0 peso or $0 to show kindness and love to that person. Show respect. Man, wala namang mawawala sa'yo eh. And yes, that's it. That's it for this reading for January 9th. And yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you think that you haven't subscribed yet, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that if you want to. I'll see you in my next episode. Bye.